The oceans are dying, and we are at fault. Every year, humans contaminate the seas with 1.3 million gallons of oil. Oil spills have devastated the oceans, slaughtering thousands of birds, sea turtles, and marine mammals. Even humans, especially those in the coastline, are at threat, since contact with oil through food and the air can be poisonous. How can we save marine life? How can we save our oceans? The solution? Bioremediation. Bioremediation is the use of microorganisms to break down and neutralize contaminants. The microorganisms, usually bacteria, uses the pollutants as an energy source. In oil, bacteria eats hydrocarbons, the molecule that makes up oil. Hundreds of species of bacteria are capable of degrading oil, such as Alcanivorax borcamensis, a bacterium commonly found around oil spills. Bioremediation naturally cleans out contaminants and is much more efficient and eco-friendly than other methods. This method was even used to clean up two of the most disastrous oil spills in history. In 1989, the Exxon Valdez tanker collided with Bligh Reef in Prince William Sound and released about 11 million gallons of crude oil, ravaging the Gulf and coastline of Alaska. To counter the catastrophe, scientists used a technique called biosimulation, which exponentially increased the number of bacteria by feeding them nutrients, such as the fertilizer Custom Blend 28-8. Within the first few days, the bacteria devoured 25 to 30% of the total hydrocarbons. In 2001, NOAA found that 97.8% of the pits, which were previously coated with oil, had little to no residue. In 2010, the Deepwater Horizon drilling rig exploded, killing 11 men and dumping over 200 million gallons of oil into the Gulf of Mexico. Scientists broke down the oil into droplets using the chemical Corexit 9500, a dispersant. This prevented the oil from clumping together, making it easier for the bacteria to eat. This, along with biosimulation, drastically increased the speed of the cleanup. By 2015, only 5% of the oil remained. Bioremediation is one of the best methods to clear polluted waters. It has helped clean two of the most massive spills in history in an inexpensive and efficient way. In the future, more efficient methods will be discovered, just as dispersants were in the Deepwater Horizon spill. Bacteria, one of Earth's smallest defenders, are also our strongest.
Created using Powtoon.